For the final trade of the day, Mike Patton, head trader at Funder Trading, is ready to go. Mike, what do you have for us today?
All right, so the trade I have right now is AstraZeneca. Symbol is AZN. Now, this stock, I believe we're going to get a good opportunity here for some upside. Now, just a few things I should note about the company. It has had some problems with fundamentals. Like the earnings are growing, that part's good. They have had some, I guess you could say, some decline in their profit margin recently. But it looks like everything's back on track. We're almost $10 below what probably would be the lowest fair value for the company. Obviously, there's no guarantee it will go up, but it looks like we've got at least $10 to maybe $22 of potential upside from where we are now. Now, risk-wise, I would say, as far as it stands right now, if this stock is trading down to under $60 a share, I would say definitely get out.
What do you think of the mid-November market action?
Okay, so here's my exact thoughts. One of the things that we want to think about is, firstly, we're in a transitional period where the incoming administration has to choose who's going to do what, right? And as you're building your cabinet, that's going to have some impact on the markets, I expect. Let's say that everything goes perfectly. A new administration comes up with some fantastic ideas, gets things rolling. Still going to take a while to turn everything around. Also, I do think the markets may be a little concerned about some comments from the Fed. I didn't really see anything that scary, but nevertheless, Jerome Powell made some comments the other day, and maybe the markets are thinking about that.
What else can you tell us from your trader's perspective, Mike?
Probably more likely than not, the real issue is just that we had a pretty big jump. The QQQ ETF was up quite a bit. It basically moved past one of the upward projections that I had as far as how far it should be able to move in the next 30 days, which was, of course, 30 days ago. So usually when that happens, we kind of pull back in. That's all that really looks like. So I wouldn't see this as any sign of impending disaster or anything like that. But I would say that if everyone was expecting, like, we just keep going and going, well, probably will take a while before we get stable enough and settle in enough where the markets have a pretty clear idea of what to expect coming down the line. Also, there is the potential that we could have some shakeups in the Fed itself.
And as always, we know the market does not like uncertainty.
Absolutely.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.